Ohayo gozaimasu minasan.
Good morning.
Bummer.
Yes.
Hey everybody. So bright and sunny. But I'm cold, but I need to hustle. Yeah. Open sesame seeds. Ito natin eh. Here comes the train. So we are inside the train now and lunchtime. Oh my gosh, why did you put a dot on my cell phone? It's so windy outside, you guys, and my hair looks like a mess already. Yeah, looks like a mess. So I'm gonna be having my lunch too. What a fancy lunch we have. Such a fancy lunch. You're eating sandwich. Yeah, see you later. What's that? You're doing second batch. So this is his new addiction. What's that called?
After Pulse.
After pulse? Pulse.
Pulse. P-U-L-S-E.
After pulse. And what kind of game is that?
Multiplayer.
So meaning it's an online game too?
Yep. You get
so
to
how
play
does
with
it
your
work?
friends.
Friends?
You gotta kill your friends.
Yeah, your friends? I like that game. I want to kill some friends of mine.
Yeah, you can shoot them in the face.
Oh my gosh, I
You
need
know
that
what?
game.
Okay,
I
let's
have a
connect.
lot of people to kill. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. It's not that.
Okay, we got team deathmatch.
So I need to have
Give me
an
Google.
internet connection to play that game. So is there another option, like is there an offline game with that, or it's
No
usually
offline game. Online, usually online.
So you can add somebody, like for example, somebody you
Oh,
know.
not yet. They haven't developed the game yet.
So when you're playing the game, you don't know who.
Yeah.
Oh my god! How can I kill somebody that I want to kill?
You can kill everybody. You don't have to choose
I
who to
want
kill.
a specific person to kill, man. Oh my gosh, yeah.
We are connected.
So that's it for that game. It's called
After Pulse.
After Pulse. Yep. I'm first in line. It's my first time first in line. We're in the subway. Kanayama subway. I really hate this dot tweet. Why are you looking
No,
at that
leave
one?
it. Just leave.
I don't
I
want to
need it.
leave it.
Leave it.
Oh my god, so dark there. My back. Hi guys, so we just came out from somewhere and we had some, what's this? Prize. Prize? Is this a prize or a present from somewhere? Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I have teary eye because it's so cold. Yeah, looks delicious. I'm excited to eat already. Let's eat.
You eat. I don't eat chocolate.
You eat chocolate.
No, I don't.
So what do you eat? Peanut.
Yes.
My God, he wants peanut only. Let's walk fast. Fast. This is my first time here. I don't know where are we. Where are we? Oh, what's that? Karaoke room. Karaoke room, Joy. Can we go karaoke? Why there are a lot of karaoke here?
Wait.
We're trying to get... Where are we going? Sayadori, but I don't have a clue. Huh, Mada yo? Mada, it's still on red. So tour guide, what's our status? What's our status? I don't know where we are. Where are you bringing me?
The little blue tree.
Answer me, because I'm a little worried already. Where are we? I know we are in Nagoya, but I don't know exactly where in Nagoya. So, up. Why?
Nag-promote sa ilang restaurant. Pero di natin yung mga tao.
Yeah, there aren't a lot of people here because everybody is not eating anymore. They want to buy material things. It's better to buy a bag than a 14,000 yen worth of chocolate like I saw a while ago. Oh my gosh, you cannot believe it, guys. 14,000 yen for just a box of chocolate. Can you believe that? What do you think about the chocolate? Sweet.
Oh.
That 14,000 yen chocolate. Don't you think it's too much for a chocolate? It just go right into my stomach and outside my butt. I'm not gonna buy that chocolate. No. Oh my gosh, this is the first time that I'm in a subway that there are completely no people around, and it feels like we are in that movie 28 days later. Apocalypse time. Right? Yeah. I want to own this TV. 4K, oh my gosh. Shrimp? Shrimp. That one. Is that shrimp? But it's valor price. A lot of frozen food. What about the other side? This one, no fish. Salmon. But di man na shrimp. Ibi and ika. No, that one. Ibi and ika. Yeah. That one. This one. This is from Ajinomoto. Ooh, so glad to be home. Just heating up our dinner. I'm gonna be having pasta and he's gonna be having, I don't know, it's I think pasta, but not tomato based pasta, like pancit something. Yeah, I'm just chilling like a villain. So this is my face after, when was I think I applied my makeup like around 11:30 in the morning, and I used Revlon Color Stay for dry skin. Oh no, not dry skin, for oily skin. And I really love the finish of this foundation because, as you can see, although I already see a few of my spots here, but oh my gosh, I'm not oily looking as compared to other foundation. This is a very long wearing foundation, And like everybody says, it's pretty good for those who have a very oily skin. Yeah, look at my face, still perfect after like more than it's almost 8 hours or 9 hours. Yeah, it's so cold and my lips is so freaking red and dry. So this is our dinner. Thank you, Annalene, for that spaghetti. And of course, since I don't know that she will give me spaghetti, we also have spaghetti in Naportan. And this lumpia is from my friend too. And of course, chicken and corn. I'm going to say good night now, guys. And I want to thank you so much for always stopping by at my channel, watching my vlog. And yeah, I hope you had a wonderful and blessed day as well. And I think that's all it. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Good night, everyone. Let's say it. Yasumi nasai. Love you guys.